Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever thought that you could learn deep learning in artificial intelligence using Microsoft Excel? It may sound surprising, but it is absolutely possible. If you want to understand AI concepts without diving into complex programming, this course is a great place to start. Course Introductory. In this amazing course, you will learn the fundamentals of deep learning using Microsoft Excel in a simple, practical, and beginner-friendly way. Whether you are a student, working professional, researcher, business owner, or someone interested in AI, this course helps you build a strong understanding of machine learning concepts with easy-to-follow lessons. What you learn நள்ளிரவு 12:50 In this course, you will learn அடர்வெள்ளை நிற டிக் சின்னம் deep learning fundamentals அடர்வெள்ளை நிற டிக் சின்னம் neural networks explained simply அடர்வெள்ளை நிற டிக் சின்னம் data analysis using Excel அடர்வெள்ளை நிற டிக் சின்னம் AI model concepts and practical examples அடர்வெள்ளை நிற டிக் சின்னம் predictive analysis techniques அடர்வெள்ளை நிற டிக் சின்னம் real world projects and exercises அடர்வெள்ளை நிற டிக் சின்னம் beginner friendly lessons with step-by-step guidance. Why should you join this course? கருப்பு நிற டிக் சின்னம் learn AI concepts without complicated coding. கருப்பு நிற டிக் சின்னம் build valuable analytical skills. கருப்பு நிற டிக் சின்னம் strengthen your resume and professional profile. கருப்பு நிற டிக் சின்னம் prepare for future AI and data related careers. கருப்பு நிற டிக் சின்னம் gain practical knowledge you can apply in academics and industry. கருப்பு நிற டிக் சின்னம் learn at your own pace from anywhere in the world. As AI continues to grow across industries, learning these concepts can help you develop useful skills for your education and career. If you are interested in enrolling in this course, the enrollment link is available in the video description below. Click the link to learn more about the course and enroll. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more AI, technology, and career-related content. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning. ஏவுகணை